Hello UBC Squad, welcome back to our UiPath Board channel. Currently we are going through UiPath test certification series. So in this video we are going to discuss about these practical questions from the UiPath test exam. Then for these questions, how to find the answer, then how to cover the topics based on the syllabus. Then at the same time we are going to discuss about the practical example as well. Let's get start our topic today. So yep, so this is the eighth question actually. You can see that. What is the one of the function of the test manager in UiPath test shoot? So I already mentioned whenever you're reading the question, just try to capture the important keyword. What is the one of the function of the test manager in UiPath Studio? Which means what is the function of the test manager in UiPath test shoot? Which is nothing but there is a lot of roles will be available. Okay, a lot of things we can do with the help of test manager actually, but they give some few options only. So we should select perfect option for this. So here in this question, you can see that the test manager is the important keyword. So which means this question come from the test manager topic. I'll open the syllabus here. You can see that. So this is our exam syllabus. Okay. 2023.10 we are going to target. Okay. Based on the syllabus, then yep, you can see that we have a test manager. Under this test manager, we have the lot of subtopics. Okay, I just copy. Then I'm going to place under our tracker sheet. Okay, so this is a UiPath test manager. Then I placed all the topics. So then you should mention what is the start date, then end date, then how much percentage you cover. So then only we will know okay how we are progressing. Okay, so the for the first topic, actually I given this topic for the time within 3 days we can complete most probably. The thing is, this is the big topic in the UiPath test exam. Almost 15 to 20 plus questions we will get from this UiPath test manager. Okay, so this is a very important topic actually. Max to max three to 5 days is more than enough. If you want to add some practical exam, 5 days solidly we would require. Okay, so yeah. So now we got the syllabus, then we put it on the track sheet. Okay, then we mention the start date, then end date, then progress. I just mentioned the 5% of progress. Okay, then based on this, we should go with the documentation first. Go here, just type. So this is there is no separate thing we need to look here. Just type. We have a test manager. For this question, we need to read entire topic, complete entire topic. So sorry, this is for the product. We should go with the UiPath documentation. Yep, this is the one. You can see that test manager, right? Under the test manager, you can see how many subtopics are available. Licensing, then ALM tool integrations, requirement, test case, test sets. Okay, there is lot of topic, but we should learn all those topics without missing anything, right? So once you reach the page, just change the delivery. We can choose automation shoot or standalone, either or one. Then the right side, we should go with the 2023.10. Okay, then I'm going to scroll down. You can see these guys. Don't miss any single words here, like how to allocate the user, which is most probably for the testing named user we are going to use. Then you can see test manager works with the professional service level licenses at the organization level. While user need to have their license allocated, their license that you are going to allocate going to be permanently assigned to the selected user. So if you find these kind of important notes, just open the Word document, place it here. Important keywords, you can just highlight in the bold mark. Okay. So whenever you want to remember this, or gone through this document, you don't want to go again the website. You just go open this document in your handy. Just go through this document. It will be more helpful for you for the preparation, right? You can see the condition is very important thing. All the condition you should take the note of it. Now we are our questions come from this topic. You can see requirement, test case, test set, lot of things, lot of function we can do, right? But our question comes from the requirement tab. We should know about all the conditions, okay, steps, then important keynotes. Okay, there is a lot of options to create the requirement in test manager. With the help of ALM tool we can create API. With the help of API we can create, then directly in the UI we can create, right? So this is done. Okay, so if you read this question, which means all the topics, we'll get to know the answer for this question. You can see that one of the function, which means the first question you can see option executing the test from test cases from studio on testing robots, which means this thing happened from the studio, right? With the help of testing robot, not with the test manager. Once we link with the test case in the test manager, we can run from here in the available machine, not from the studio. Okay, so first option is wrong. Then second one, assigning mock to the test case. Mock is nothing but is a kind of data driven testing, like files, then data sources, right? So for this, we are completely handling through the we can completely handling through the APIs or files or data services kind of things, not from the test manager, right? Not only from the test manager. Okay. Then third one, assigning test cases to the requirement. So I think this is the most suitable answer for this question. Assigning the test case, which means so the test case will be available in the our test manager, then requirement also will be available in the test manager. We are going to map. Then fourth one, creating the automation, which means creating automation test in scheduled manner. The schedule, which means our keyword should be generated with the orchestrator. We should remember the orchestrator when it comes under the scheduler. In the orchestrator only we can schedule. Then creating the automation test set. Automation test set creating it should be happen in the studio only, not from the test manager. In the test manager only we can create the manual test case, not the automation test case, right? Okay, guys. So from these four options, this is the exact answer for this, assigning the test case to the requirement. Okay. So from the documentation I told you, so from the how we need to capture this answer for this question, we need to read the entire documentation. From this condition, then keynotes, we will get this answer for this question. Okay. Then same thing, I will explain the practical level how it works. So this is, you can see, Rakar, I will go here. Already I've created one project here, bank project. So I'm going to select here bank. Okay. Once I hit on bank, you can see we have the requirement. Requirement is nothing but some non-technical person, something from the user end. Hey team, I want to conduct some login scenario for the UA Bank website. Kindly contact. You can see just they are going to write like this: UA Bank login and navigation, right? Validation, right? So they telling theoretical way. Then we need to understand this theoretical scenario. Then we need to convert into our manual test case or automated test case. Then here we can add our label for the filtration purpose and grouping purpose. Create. Yep, you can see. I written the story for login and navigation. Already I written manual test scripts for this bank too. So this is a completely manual script. So here one thing I want to tell, whether it is manual, whether it is automated. The linking with the requirement is the approach, then steps 100% same. There is no difference. I'll tell you. So this is the automation, right? If it is automated script, we will see some available information for relevant with the automation script. But these are manual steps, right? You can see open the UA bank, register, then log in, then fill some details. So here it will cover the login scenario and then navigate scenario, right? Here, the right side corner, you can see one option are task assigned to requirement. Okay. So here, what are the available requirement in requirement tab? It will be available there. Okay. So if it is n number of requirement, you can search with the keyword or name, or you can filter with the labels. Already we have the labels called UI Bank. Just do filter, click, then assignment. It's assigned successfully. How we can see that? Go to the requirement tab, just click. You can scroll down, right? Bank 2, which means for these requirement, bank 2 has been assigned. So here, based on that, okay, so they will get to know, okay, for these requirement, test case has been developed, so it's going to execute. Then they can now gather the execution results, whatever it is. But here, one more question they will ask. You can see that. I will open one more test scripts, bank 3. Okay, this one also manual steps, but here's something different. Here, what I'm going to do. Some steps are different, right? Again, I'm going to assign same requirement. So here you can see that I'm going to open this. You can see these guys under the single requirement, which means one requirement, I assign the multiple test case. So they will ask these kind of question also, how many test case we can link with the requirement, right? Kind of question. So you can see. So here during the discussion, we got two different practical scenarios, right? How to link requirement with the test case, right? Then how it works in the back end, right? Then how many test case we can link with the requirements, right? So yep. Then one more scenario I will explain here. They will ask one more question like this: what are the steps to connect with the, which means link with the requirement? First, I will do the test case, then go with any test case tab. Then you can see a right side task option will be there, right? Task drop down. Under here, we have the option called assign to requirement, right? So likewise, they will ask the question. So whenever you're going through this specific topic, don't miss. So now we are going through the requirement tab, right? Don't miss any single topic, single tab. Hey, what is the use of this vibe? What is mean by open views and save views? What is mean by create requirement? While we creating, what are the mandatory field? You can see only name is a mandatory, which means star symbol is there, right? Then description and label is optional. Okay. Then test sets. You can see that what are the views, then what are the link, create. Each option you should know about that, right? Okay, guys. So now we got the answer for this question in the practical and theoretical. What is the one of the function of test manager in UiPath test suite, which means assigning test case to the requirement. Okay. Yes, guys, if you found this video as helpful, subscribe, like, and ping me in the comment. Okay, like you can share this playlist as well. Okay, if you want to me add any some more topics or some additional key important features I need to be covered, means you can ping me in the comment or you can directly send out an mail tajithpandix@gmail.com. Okay, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.